Hello, thanks for joining us for another tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a dynamic date to your Elementor website. The first step in the tutorial is adding a new template. Our template is going to be named Footer, and once you're happy with this, click on Publish. To begin adding the dynamic date, the first thing you want to do is search for the text editor widget. Once you've found the widget, click and drag and move it into this section of your desired location. Once the widget is set, navigate over to the left hand side, and in the properties you want to select current date time. To output the year, simply click on date format, remove the items in the box and then type capital Y, and that'll output this year's date. And if you want to add any before or after text, you may have noticed that I've put a copyright symbol. To do that, just type in and copy semicolon. That's the syntax for HTML copyright symbol. And then once you're happy with everything, just simply navigate to the big green button at the bottom and click on Publish. And there we have it. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.